How to install mods in Warhammer 40k Space Marine 2. So if you want to install mods in Warhammer 40k Space Marine 2, then just follow the steps. So first, to apply the mod or to install the mod, you can just simply go with the properties. The first thing you have to do is find where your Steam folder is located. Most people install it on their C partition. However, I have not done that because of some reasons. But if you don't remember where you've installed your Steam, then you can open your Steam library and find Space Marine. You can right click on the Space Marine game and you will have properties. You need to click on the properties. Once you go with properties, you need to go with local files. After going with the local files, you need to go with browse local files, which is on the first option. You will see similar folder like this. And here you will have your Space Marine folder where you will be putting your mods. It's quite literally a copy paste operation. So you need to grab the contents of the preview folder of the mod you want to use and you paste them inside your preview folder. Or if so you need to just simply go with the general section and then you can go with set launch options. And the command you need to set is use preview. After that, go with OK, and that's it. It will apply the mod. So that's how you can install mods in your Warhammer 40k Space Marine 2. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.